So, hello guys, welcome to my channel and this is my first video. So, I will show you my first videos and I will show you in my first video I make one project, the HTML, only HTML with uses HTML. So, I will start when I go my VS Code. This is my first web page, index HTML. This is doc type HTML, HTML language English. It means my all language is in English. This is head section. In head section, I have meta chart set UTF. It means UTF means it used for special symbols and meta name and content with it. When my VS Code in any computer and phone mobile electronic devices input, it's automatically set. And this is title. When I go to my uh, Chrome browser, connect with browser, so in document like title, this is the home, this head section is closure and body. After that I add here header, and also I give here div and class. Okay, class, what is the meaning of class? Class, when I put any class, it means I give him one class. Like id and class is both are different, but when I put here class okay, it means I use the okay class other side also. This is the also class specialty. HR tag. HR tag means this only for one line I use. And div means when it's a block element and it's used for stylish. And M means emphasize. Emphasizing means like I write here any word, so it's automatically emphasized, showing the importance also. H1, we have a heading text. So H1 is to uh, large heading, the student profile. This is my image. I give here height and width because my image is set. I want to set. This is also div and class. I use here navbar. This name is navbar. When I make in header any navbar, that time I use this. And this is UL. UL means unordered list. Unordered list, and this is LI. LI means list. When I write here anything, so it's automatically list form convert. This A tag, A. This A tag. This is href. Href means reference. Reference is index HTML. And this is the home, the anchor tag closing tag, and this list closing tag. Both are same. Home, profile, course, feedback, get table, contact. This is UL closing tag. This is HR for line. Navbar, emphasize the header is closed. This is main. In body we have three part: header, main, and footer. So header tag, header section is complete. This is my main section. I also here H1 P means paragraph. When I write here in one brief paragraph, introduction and anything, that time I use this paragraph. HR main closing tag. Footer, div class no article. When I use any article means any article, like article. H2 my blog post. The P, I already tell you, the P means paragraph, and P, this is the end copy, like a copyright for I use div closing tag, footer closing tag, HR, body, and HTML. This is my the home page. And when I go to my project, go live, so it's simply so like this. Student profile, this is that image. This is my home profile course. This is welcome to my profile. This is the paragraph. This is footer side, and this is the copyright strike. And when I go to my profile, so this is my profile. This is my pic, about Dipankar. This is email, number, objective, obtain the, this is the education, bachelor, computer application, everything. Skill, my project, my personal details, hobbies, interests, and also footer. In footer section I also add the copyright strike. So this is my first site for my website and YouTube channel. And I show you one thing, my profile section. I use here like also same thing like h1m nav ul hr image we are using image for our inputting image, and alt we are using for our name of image, like header section we are using, this is also block element, and this is also using for putting any container. And it's when we use section, so browser automatically understand ki we are write here anything like educational person purpose. Yeah, this is also not a, we are not style in css, it's like a element and container also in container. So section closing tag, strong we are using for any importance of the word, like I strong in strong section in strong tag I use this bachelor of computer application, it means is bold become a bold and darker. ul yani another list section h2 section h2 ul strong list paragraph, everything is simple, and also I explain this. So this is my first video, it's finished. Thank you. 6 मिनट